I'm basically getting everything ready for the arrival. I almost said of Kathy. Oh my God. We're not naming this dog Kathy. One might say that I'm nesting here. I have all the dog toys that I could ever need, want, and imagine for potentially getting a new puppy. Maybe. No, well, I know you want all this stuff. See, it's already starting. The jealousy is already starting, but I'm organizing everything, organizing all the cookies. So this is probably torture for him, but I'm gonna get all these cupboards figured out, because doesn't everybody have like cupboard madness? So I'm gonna make like a whole puppy world, and I've got all the Nylabones broken down like in categories. So Nylabones for like level 1 chewing, ready to go, and then Benny Bones, elk antlers, Kongs, bully sticks, feeders, puzzles. I got the crate set up. Every single stuffed toy is in the washer. All the bandana, I know it's torture, isn't it, buddy? I know it's killing him that I have puppy in the washer. We're almost done. We're almost done. So it won't be long, and then we'll decide if this is what we're gonna do. So next time I'm filming, it will probably be in the car on the way to, I know he wants puppy out of the washer really bad. He hates it when I wash puppy. But it'll probably be on the way to the breeder's house tomorrow, and we shall see. Okay, I gotta go. Charlie's being needy already, and we didn't even bring home the potential sibling dog. Exciting. I got all this cleaned out last night. I worked forever on it. So this would be the area that is all the slow feeders and activity puzzles. So ready to go. The things that fill up the Kongs, ready to go. So that we're all set there. This is a lip mat. And this is a toy that they pull on the string and the toys pop out. So these are more activity type toys. And then this here is all types of puzzles and activity toys, extra treats, things like that. These are learning type toys. So this cupboard will be kind of our enrichment area. And then this here is everything related to chewing. So this is level 1, Nylabones, things like that. And then kind of a step 2 would be more like Benny Bones, elk antlers. And then the pet safe type bones, where these kind of come off and you fill them up with the rawhide. I really like those. Anything by Pet Safe I like. And then down here, I've got everything related to paw safety and grooming. So I think it's looking like we're just about ready. So just in case we get a puppy, we already have her little world set up, and even her bowls that'll match Charlie's. So now I'm to the point, okay, Charlie, where I'm gonna let Charlie take his puppy out of the dryer. Where is it? Find it. Where's your puppy, buddy? Where is it? You've been waiting. Is it in there? So I washed all the toys, all the stuffed toys. I've got everything categorized so that stuffed toys are in one bin. And then I usually separate so that ropes and things like that are completely separate. I always separate materials of toys. So like balls and things like that will be separate from stuffed toys. So we got toy rotation going on, bones. It's looking like we might be getting a puppy. Getting kind of exciting. Okay, so we're here.
What if the dog doesn't like me? What if What if the puppy doesn't like me? What is it, 34.50?
Mom's here. 34.50. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Therese.
We're ready to see this puppy. Hey, Charlie, would you want to get a sister dog?
Well,
Oh, you know what though? He has to wait in the car, so I don't want him to be, like flipping out that he has to wait in the car for a little bit. So we're gonna meet this puppy. He's gonna wait in the car while we meet her, and then.
Crest Kennel.
Hey, I like how our license plate says Crest Kennel.
That's pretty funny. I'll park behind her. Your mom can park.
Okay.
Your mom can park behind one of us.
All right, so don't forget now. If she doesn't like us or we don't like her, we're out of here.
Did you bring your money?
No, did you?
No.
What do you say?
I guess I can do this right now.
What do you think? What do you think of that? Pretty good? What do you think? There we go.
Right, yeah.
She's pretty cautious.
Yeah, she is kind of
Yeah.
cautious, which I've not noticed because it was always just me and our dogs, so.
Okay. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Yes. Good girl. Yeah. She's coming out of her shell now. She likes it better than when I'm doing learning, more than she liked the affection.
Right.
She's liking learning. Not that she liked it more than affection, but she seems like she's coming out of her shell a little bit more. It built her confidence a little bit.
Let's go see the puppy. We'll see a little baby named Katie. We'll see her. Charley.
Oh, he looks just like his mom.
Would you be patient with her?
She loves you. She loves you, Bobby.
Sit.
She's eating his tail.
You don't even care because you're getting food on this side. You're like, I'll deal with it. Good boy. You want to go home? You want to go home? You want to go home, Katie? You want to go home?
Charlie, do you want her to come home with us? You do? All right. Please don't hump me.
I love the eyebrows. She's got like Sharpie eyebrows.
We did it. It's time. I can't wipe this big grin off my face. How about you?
It's pretty cool.
We are not going to have a dog named Kathy.
Would you like that name, Katie?
I can't do it. I won't do it.